Hi everyone, and welcome to this super quick intro to thisislanguage.com. This short video will give you all of the tools you need to get set up and working on the site. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, so let's get stuck in. As soon as you log in to thisislanguage.com, you'll be taken to this page. This is our homepage. The flag beside your name in the top right hand corner shows you which language platform you're in. Just click on it and select the language you're after from the drop down menu. Just below these colourful buttons on the homepage, you'll see your feed. Here, you can use your feed to have a look through the tasks that you've set for your classes and see how many of your students have completed them. You can also click on this green button just to see how well they've done. One of the most important things you're going to want to do on thisislanguage.com is find relevant, level-appropriate videos for all of your classes. To do this, just click on the orange Videos button. As you can see, our videos are organised thematically to make it as easy as possible for you to find a suitable video for any given class. We divide them first into these broader themes, the likes of which you're all very familiar with, I'm sure, and then into these more specific tags. Once you've chosen a relevant tag, in this case I went for your friends, and then chosen a video that's suitable for your lesson, you'll come to the video page. You've got the video and other related videos, in other words, other people answering the exact same question, down the left hand side, and the 4 exercises that accompany every one of our videos, and some handy teacher tools down the right hand side. All of our video exercises, and indeed all of the exercises on thisislanguage.com, are easy to set, interactive, and, wait for it, automatically marked as well. All you need to do to set an exercise is click on the grey Set an Exercise button, fill in the details, and click Save, and that's the exercise set for your class. Your students will see this exercise in their feed as soon as they log into thisislanguage.com. And that, in a nutshell, is our video page. The next thing I want to look at is our grammar section. Our interactive grammar tool helps students learn and improve on all of the grammatical structures they'll need through the use of wacky explainer videos and some carefully scaffolded interactive exercises. Just like our video section, the grammar section is thematically organised, and setting these grammar exercises is super easy. Just select the section you're after, fill in the details, and click Save. So, I just have one last super important thing to make you aware of before you get going, and that's the more admin-focused sections of the site. Back on the homepage, all you need to do is hover over your name in the top right-hand corner, and you'll see these sections appear. For now, we're going to look at the classes section. On this page, you can create a brand new class and add all of the relevant students into it. And you can also keep an eye on exactly how your students are doing on the tasks you've set for them. To do this, just click on this View Work icon next to the class in question, and you'll get a detailed breakdown of exactly how well your students have done in all of their set tasks. Just click on this View button for a full breakdown. And that really is a whistle-stop tour of thisislanguage.com. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions at all or would like to organise a more in-depth training session with one of the team, just get in touch. We really are delighted to have you on board with us this year. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a lovely week. Bye guys!